I'll show you the best TEMU free gifts hack. Now you can see right now on my screen right now, there is a free gifts that I could claim, and all you have to do if you want to claim this as well is to click on the link on the description or click on the link on the comments. Now you can see right now I have a 100-watt fast charging Type-C cable with digital display, durable nylon, and compatible with multiple brands, and it's $0 or free. Now when you click on that link, you might get something else. You might get like clothes, or you might get other appliances, but the thing is, you just get free items, right? No matter what, you'll get something for free, so don't worry. But of course, you read the fine print, like the terms and condition, read the fine print here. And please do remember that this is for new app users only, and it's also with qualifying orders. To claim this, you have to scan this QR code to get into the TEMU app, and then you can claim your free gift from the TEMU app right there. Again, what you may get when you click on that link might be different for me or for you, but of course, you'll still get it for free with qualifying orders and if you so happen to be a new app users for TEMU.